Got a ring stuck on a finger? You might be able to cut it off with a pair of cutters like these. Hey YouTubers, in this video I'm going to briefly describe all the methods that we tried to use in order to get a stuck ring off my wife's finger. My wife had put an old ring on her finger and it was too small and she couldn't get it off, and it started to swell up. And so at first we tried these items to try and get the ring off without cutting it. And then finally we tried these items here, these two cutters here. I tried the bolt cutters first, and then we finally got it off with these orange handle cutters here. There is a link to these cutters in the description comments area, so in case you want to get these exact same cutters, you can find them on Amazon. So first of all, let's go over this stuff. This is some oil, and then we tried the oil by itself, but that didn't work. And then there's some dental floss. So try the dental floss, and then we just use this little hairpin to push it through the ring. There's a lot of videos about that, but that didn't work, unfortunately. I think none of these methods ended up working because my wife's finger was just a little too swelled up and the ring was a little too small. This is some ribbon. So one of the videos suggested using ribbon. That didn't work. And then these are some nylon stockings. And this one, I think we just briefly tried it, but we were already ready to give up. I had to go out and get these today, but that didn't work either. I do think that the nylons are probably the best idea, although the dental floss is very popular. There was a video with a lady that had the nylon idea, and it seemed like a good idea. But again, I think our situation, the finger was just too swelled up and the ring was too small. So next I tried these Tecton kind of mini bolt cutters. The problem I had with that is I would try and put it straight on top of the ring, but this ring, it kind of got a design or something, and it kept on wanting to slip to one side and not go on straight. And although I put some plastic underneath the ring to protect my wife's finger, this is from a plastic placemat, the bolt cutters were still moving to one side and putting pressure on my wife's finger, and so it just didn't seem safe. So anyway, that was last night. And then today, our friend Oscar came over, also known as MacGyver, and he tried a few things, and then we ended up getting this pair of diagonal flush cutters out, and that's what did the trick. So here's a demonstration of how our friend Oscar cut the ring off. Oscar, we really appreciate that, and you are awesome. So Oscar just came in with the cutters like this, and he was able to get a little bit of room underneath. You know, it wasn't like super tight. So just came in here and then did a snip, just 3 times, and that's all it took to get it off. So just came in like this. So basically he just made 3 smaller cuts instead of trying to cut it all at once. And then once it was cut, then we used a couple pairs of pliers, some short needle nose, and this is like a Stanley, I think. I don't know, whatever. You can use something like that to kind of spread it apart a little bit to easily get it off the finger. I was gonna order, or actually I did order a specific ring cutting tool that's made for cutting the ring off of a finger. It was like $11, $12 on Amazon, and I could get it like the next day. But it turns out that these diagonal cutters did the trick, so I canceled that order. That's all I got. If you liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe. That'll encourage me to make more videos. Thanks.